Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Yvonne Wema, and today we'll be doing the viral miracle knots with a little twist of the crochet combo. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I really do hope that you'll be understanding each and every detail that I'll be providing. Keep watching. So I first begin by parting my hair, excluding the hair that I'll be doing the miracle knots at the front, and then at the back I'll be doing the crochet method. And with the crochet, the cornrows that I did were the beehive cornrows, and I feel like it really did a great job because I really wanted it to be combined when I'm gonna be doing like the whole look, the miracle and the crochet, to just seem seamless and no one to really know if it's a crochet or something. And I feel like it did a great job, so I will highly recommend that you do the beehive cornrows. And I will always stress on this, your crochet cornrows to be loose and not tight, so that the crochet hook can easily pass through without you feeling uncomfortable. The first cornrows were actually neat, yes, but it was tight and it was really uncomfortable for me when the crochet hook was passing through. I really ended up regretting, and I really don't want you to end up being like me. And there was no way I will undo the hair, because it's when it comes to like these circular cornrows, it's only one end and one beginning. So ensure that your cornrows are kinda loose. When it comes to braiding, please don't do small sectionings which lead to thin braiding. It will actually be difficult for you to also pass through the crochet hook, and it will lead to hair breakage, because you know each time you'll be passing the crochet hook, it will be like irritating your hair, and when you come to like unbraid it, you'll be finding like your hair is breaking off, and that's quite disappointing. So I will suggest that you do a reasonable amount of sectioning, like just a handful of hair. I'm done with the sectioning and the braiding of the hair, and I'm very much satisfied with the results. Again, make sure that your crochet cornrows are loose, and give yourself grace, mostly if you're doing this by yourself. It doesn't have to be neat because you'll be crocheting it on top. So the next step is crocheting, and I did the normal method at the back, but my hair was not doing me any justice because I feel like it will come off later on. So I literally had to change my technique and do the invisible crochet method, which I'll be showing you, don't worry. So keep watching so that you can get the whole detail about this video. And on top of that, thank you so much for watching up until here. Make sure that you subscribe and become a member of my channel. This hair that I used is Asmara Waves by Olivia, and I used 2 packs, exactly 2 packs. That's what you'll need. On to the next step, you're doing the miracle knots, and you just begin by crocheting right at the start. And when you do, I did the invisible crochet here. Sorry for the misunderstanding before. And this is how I do the crochet. It's like doing the double crochet, and then you're gonna be pulling your hair at the end after doing the double crochet. And I ended up adding my hair twice or thrice because I really never wanted it to be bulky. The hair was already bulky enough, so I never wanted to stress on it. And so on the invisible crochet, you're gonna be pulling the hook at the first and then at the second, as I am saying, and then Now you'll be finalizing it by pulling the hair to the other side. I'll be showing you again so that you can fully understand, but when you do this, it will kind of hide the knots and it will truly secure your hair. As you can see, I was just pulling it and it is okay. The third time that I'm adding my hair is when I'm braiding with it with my natural hair. To finish it off, you're going to take a small piece of hair and wrap once, twice, and thrice, and then you're going to tie a knot so that you can secure the hair and you know that it's not going to be unraveling anytime soon. And that's it. That's how you do the miracle knots and the combo of crochet. I really like this hairstyle. I still have it like after 1 week, and the maintenance that I do is just using mousse and applying water spray, and I also do trimming once in a while, which I highly recommend. It is very much needed, mostly if you're gonna be using this hair, because it's very much bulky and you really have to know how to maintain, and also sleeping with a silk bonnet. I added up hair again, as you can see, and I feel like a tip that you should carry about miracle knots, as far much as you know the details and everything, something that I've come to discover, we are playing the illusion that the synthetic hair is like our hair. So you cover your hair all around using the synthetic hair. So you can add as much as you like. You can add 7 times. It also depends on the length of your hair. So if your hair is so long, you're going to be adding more hair so that you can hide it and it seems that the synthetic hair is coming right from your scalp. Also suggest you have some hair clips around you, because when you be adding, the hair will be really much disrupting you. So holding it off, it's kind of gonna help, because it was very much irritating. I never knew I needed it until now that I can see, and I just remember how irritated I was. And also, when you're gonna be adding, make sure you remember the 3 strand. Just continue where you left it from. Don't tie a knot or like hold your hair separate from the synthetic hair. It's gonna fall off. We are coming towards the end of the video, and I would really like to appreciate you all for watching up until the end. Thank you so much. I really do hope that you have understood each and every detail that I've provided. Comment below, what have I left out? Will you try this hairstyle? Is it amazing or not? I would really like to hear from you. Also, a final reminder, subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll be receiving more hair tutorials and ideas that you may try out. Thank you so much, and up until next time, and look at the results. I was very much satisfied. I love the final look.